Welcome students of class 4. I am back again with your new GK class and I hope you are ready with your textbooks, right? Because today is our Saturday class and it's GK class. So, in our last class, we went throughout our country for some land reforms, water bodies, right? And over there we also came to know about islands, and today our total topic is over the islands, and we are going to go around, or you can say we can roam around the world, right, with this chapter. So let's start, students. Here it has been said, what is common to Sri Lanka, Sicily, Singapore, Bermuda and Mauritius? What is the common thing among these countries? They are all islands. Yes, these all countries are islands. These are coral islands, volcanic islands, islands in rivers and lakes, and even artificial islands. Try these different fun activity about islands. Okay, so here is some activity given about islands. So the Sri Lanka, Sicily, Singapore, Bermuda and Mauritius, they are respectively coral, volcanic islands in rivers, and there are even artificial islands are also there all over the world even. So question number A, choose the correct option. And what is the correct option? An island is. So you have been given 3 options. Let us read all the 3 and then after we will choose the correct one. An island is a body of water surrounded by land on all sides. That means it has been said that it is a body. It is a body of water and all over surrounded by land. Is it that? Does island mean that? This is option A. Next is a country in Northern Europe. Island is a country. It's a name of a country in Northern Europe. No, it's absolutely not. Next, number C comes a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. So now it has been said that it is a piece of land. This is the land and it has been surrounded by water all the side. So it has been surrounded by water all the side. So students, is it a body or piece of water body which has been surrounded by land? No. Island is a water body, or it is a land which is being surrounded by water all the sides. Okay, so option C. Now I think the concept of island is very clear to all of you. It is a piece of land which is being surrounded by water on all the 4 sides. Okay, if it is 3 sides, then what would have happened? What would have happened? It would have been peninsula. Yes, exactly. So now we are having the question A and the option C is the correct one. So we are going to tick for question A, option C, and we are going to put a tick over there. Next comes question B. Here you have to write true or false. T for true and F for false. The largest island in the world is Greenland. So which is the largest island? We have already learned in GK, right? So yes, it is Greenland, and here the answer will be true. So question B, here the answer will be true. Next comes question C. Question C, read the clues and name the islands. Here you have to read the clues and you have to name the islands. But watch out, there are 3 incorrect answers in the help box. We have been given 4 questions, whereas the options are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let us start and find out the correct one. Here in one most populated island in the world. So all over the world, which is the most populated island? So let us find out the correct answer, and it is E. Option E, that is Java, which is been located in Indonesia. Okay. So here question number 1, you will write in the box option E. Okay. Now let's go for number 2. Number 2 is largest island in India. Largest island in India. Now which is the largest island in India? And in India, the largest island is one and the only one, Middle Andaman. Yes, and it is in Bay of Bengal. So the option G. Let us go for number 2, option G. Number 3. Number 3 is most populous island in India. Which is the most popular island in India? And here comes the option is Salsit. It is in Mumbai. Okay. So option C. Here comes option C. Next is number 4. Number 4 is artificial island that houses an airport. Artificial island that houses an airport. So here the one is Kansai, which is in Osaka. Okay, Osaka Bay. So here comes the option number is D. Option number is D. Okay. So students, today page 53 we learned lots about islands. What is island? Which is the world's largest island, and which are the world's famous island, and for what? If through the clues we understood for what they are famous, right? So I conclude my class over here. I will be back again with a new class next Saturday. Till that time, take care of yourself, be safe, play more and study regularly. Bye bye.